Ready to transform your real estate business with the power of YouTube? First, let's brainstorm content ideas that highlight your expertise. Think neighborhood tour, market updates, client testimonials, and home buying tips. Aim for videos that answer common questions and provide real value to your target audience. Next, focus on video production. Good lighting and clear audio are crucial. Keep your videos concise and engaging, aiming for a conversational tone. Remember to add visuals, graphics, and text overlays to enhance the viewing experience. Optimization is key to getting your videos seen. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content and entice viewers to click. Don't forget about audience engagement. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to subscribe. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions or creating community posts to foster a stronger connection with your audience. By consistently creating valuable content, optimizing your videos, and engaging with your audience, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority in your local real estate market and attract new clients through your YouTube channel. Start building your Realtor YouTube empire today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate video tips.